Hello, my name's Wendy, and I am a client at Sovereign Healthcare. I heard about Sovereign when I got in a crisis situation and went up to see my sister in Portland, Oregon. We searched websites and made thousands of phone calls, it felt like, and checked in about insurance and checked in about what most matched up with my needs. And it seemed like Sovereign was responsive to my questions. I had my therapist at home call Sovereign and talk to a therapist here or an intake advisor, and she agreed that it was a good match, that it looked like a good match between sort of academic, informational activities like this. You know, there's things like yoga and art and walking on the beach every day, and then there's some work to do. There's homework to do, and there's looking at yourself and looking in the mirror and figuring out how you want the rest of your life to be, and that you have total choice. So I thought I could get my needs met at Sovereign. That's been the case, as you can see. Mm-hmm. So I'm quite happy with my experience here. Sure. Equine therapy is one of several options that we can avail ourselves of. Today it was opposite art therapy, and I have no ability to do art. So equine therapy is really not about horsemanship. It's really about communicating and clarifying what you see, because they say 98% of the communication that horses have with people is nonverbal. So it gives you the opportunity to be nonverbally aware of how you're feeling, what you're thinking, underneath all the layers of sort of social expectations or social mores. So it's a good opportunity to just get to communicate in a different way and still be effective. Mm-hmm. I just really like them because they accept you unconditionally and they communicate pretty clearly. You just have to look and watch. I am doing equine therapy today as part of the total care plan that they have here at the San Clemente Center. Today we've done some exercises with the horse and horses. There's two of them. This one is Allie, that one is Susie. We typically have a safety lesson first and some information just about horses in general, and then we follow that with some sort of get to know the horse's exercise. That's usually followed by some little experiment or obstacle course or time to just be with the horse. We do some grooming sometimes. We do some playful activities. Mm-hmm. For me, it means getting away from some of the intensity of my own issues. And for me, it means that I am outside in the sunshine with people who are supportive. I feel comfortable around horses, so that's not the issue. It's really feeling comfortable in my own skin, which is my mission at Sovereign. I'm probably one of the oldest people here, but I don't think horses care much about age, and I don't think they care much about clothes or shoes, so I just visit with them while I'm here. I would say that you have to be your own advocate is one thing. You have to be pretty clear on what it is you're seeking to achieve. So, and then you have to match up with what's available at that particular facility. For me, a combination of the two is great. I have advanced degrees in my discipline, but it's a nice blend. You know, and I've heard people say they come to horses one week and do art one week, and if it was horses, there would be no question in my mind where I would go. So I've gotten that opportunity. As a matter of fact, I've even gotten the opportunity to sneak into a second class. So it's that important, and Sovereign has accommodated me, so it works.